Alright, quick video guys. How to remove a clutch assembly without using a clutch wrench. Grab some vice grips, grab right there on the pulley. This pulley is what holds the other side, keeps it from moving. Okay, take a pipe wrench. Okay, I'm gonna grab this is an 18-inch pipe wrench. I'm gonna grip it right up under here and just turn. So those tools are like $18 to $40 for the little wrench. Depending on where you buy it, and look how easy that is to take off with a simple pipe wrench. The reason why I'm taking mine off, because this was perfectly okay, but the bearings came out of mine. This piece, the bearings fell out. You can see there's one bearing that was left that goes in there, but without these bearings this just spins. Okay, it'll just spin there, and you go to start it, even though this is on there, it just won't catch, and it won't be able to turn the flywheel here, or the crank. So that's why I had to remove mine, and this part I found on eBay for about $18 shipped to me, so I'm just going to order that one and get this thing working again.